Hello, I'm going to give you a few tips about what you should do when you first get a computer instead of building your own. Now, companies like to put all these unwanted apps that you're never going to use, but they think you do. So I'm going to tell you now how to get rid of that bloatware. Stay tuned. Hello, I'm Derek, and welcome to Hindsight 101, where you'll learn about things that will help you in everyday life. Now let's get started. What you want to go is to go to Dcrapifier.com. This is a great application that will uninstall all those unwanted apps that are loaded on your PC. You can just pick the free version because the other versions won't have anything you really need. So now, once you download it, what you're going to do is open the file. The file is going to analyze everything. Application is going to analyze everything on your PC to determine if it's something that needs to go, if it's questionable, or it'll list everything just in case it doesn't pick up any of the unwanted apps that you think should be uninstalled. Here, I'll explain a little bit more. Here, it has recommended apps. Unfortunately, the PC that I'm on now isn't a new build, so there aren't any apps that it thinks that needs to be removed, like Trial McAfee or Trial Office. So next, we're going to go to questionable. And this is kind of where it's on the fence, doesn't know. It could be something you installed. And then here, everything else is just everything else. So it lists out, just like if you went to Control Panel Uninstall, it'll list everything that's on your computer that you might want to uninstall. So here, I'm going to give a few examples, two things that I'm going to uninstall to kind of show you the process. Now that we selected our two apps, we're going to click Remove. Here just to verify, and then also you want to create a restore point. Just in case it's an app that's needed and it messes something up, you can always go back in time before you remove these. So once that restore point is created, it'll move on to allowing you to remove the apps. Do you want to continue with removing this app? Yes, and you go ahead. So the good thing about this is you don't have to go through each individual one, like if you went through the control panel uninstall. This one will uninstall everything all at once, and you just click a series of options verifying you did want to uninstall it. Now that everything's complete, it gives you a list saying it's all been removed and you're good to go. So next, I'm going to show you another way to get rid of all the applications so you don't really get to pick and choose. It's going to get rid of all of them, but you'll have a fresh start as if you just installed Windows. So let me show you. What you want to go to is type in Settings. This only works in Windows 10, unfortunately. Once you're in Settings, you want to click Update and Security. And then you want to go to Recovery. And then you see at the top, reset this PC. And then you're going to click get started to go through with it, but it'll get rid of all the applications. It'll keep all your files if you want. You have the choice in the next step. As you see here, you can keep your files or you can remove everything. And this is a fresh start for Windows. So all applications will be gone, whether you installed them or they were already pre-installed. And once this is done, your computer will run so much faster because a lot of those apps that are pre-installed are just starting at the beginning, just eating up resources. So that's why you want to get rid of these if you don't think you're going to use them. This process is going to take around 30 minutes to complete, so it does take a little bit of time, but it's well worth it. So I hope this helped. If you have any questions, let me know. Take care. Thanks for watching Hindsight 101. Click the subscribe button and select the notification bell to stay up to date.